In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autoplay in the video player settings. If you want to make sure your video does not start playing automatically, this is a very quick setting to adjust. Turning autoplay off can create a better viewing experience, especially if you want viewers to choose when they begin watching instead of having the video start on its own. To get started, open the video you want to edit. Make sure you are in the video settings or editing view, where you can access the available customization options. Once the video is open, look for the Customize section. This is where you can control how the video player behaves and how it appears to viewers. After you enter Customize, find the player settings. The player area usually contains options related to playback behavior, controls, and the overall viewer experience. Take a moment to look through these settings carefully so you do not miss the option you need. Next, look for the autoplay setting. This controls whether the video begins playing automatically when someone opens the page or sees the embedded player. If autoplay is currently enabled, switch it to off. This change tells the player to wait for the viewer to press play manually before the video starts. Once you have turned autoplay off, make sure to save your changes. This step is important because if you leave the page without saving, the setting may not be applied. After saving, the video will no longer play automatically. As a quick tip, it can be helpful to preview the video afterward to confirm that the setting works the way you expect. That way you can be confident that viewers will see the player in the correct state before they choose to start playback. And that's all there is to it. Open the video, go to Customize, access the player settings, turn autoplay off, and save the change. After that, your video will stay paused until the viewer decides to press play. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make your content feel more intentional and give viewers more control over their experience.